Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to switch 5G off or on the Google Pixel 9a. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks if you'd like to see more of our coverage of mobile devices, consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Right then, first things first, unlock your smartphone, pull down from the notification bar, pull down again, and then at the bottom you have a cog next to the power on off button. Now in the menu, tap on Network and Internet, tap on SIMs, select the SIM card you would like to disable data roaming on or turn it on, and then scroll down in the SIM card section to Preferred Network Type. So if you tap on that, you'll then be given options for 5G, 4G and 3G. If you want to switch 5G off, just select 4G. The device will then automatically connect to 2G, 3G and 4G networks, but not 5G ones. Likewise, if you want to switch 5G on, or make sure it's on, again, pull down from your notification shade, pull down again, go to the Settings cog, Network and Internet, tap on your SIMs and then select the SIM card where you'd like to make this change, scroll down to Preferred Network Type, and then tap on 5G. This way your phone will be connecting to 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G networks. So there you go, quick tutorial, easy peasy, in less than 2 minutes. Great, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. Also, please do bear in mind that what I've just shown you may be limited in the country or on the network your SIM card is from. According to the SIM card you put in your device, sometimes they customize settings to give you more or less options depending on what your network operator decides. So if you don't see that in the menu, that may be the reason. Anyway, as I said earlier, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.